Good afternoon to the good people of Burkina Faso. My name is Dr. Wiltshire Johnson. I'm Program Coordinator for the AUDA-NEPAD Africa IVM program. And I do bring you warm greetings for our CEO, Madam Nados Bekele Thomas, and our Director of HCID, Simir Greg Johnson. As you may be all aware, that the AUDA-NEPAD is the premier development agency on the continent, and our mandate, among other things, is to build capacity within African member states for taking regulatory decisions on innovative technologies such as gene drives. So far, we are implementing the mandate of the African Union heads of state, who in 2016 and 2017 took the decision for the African Union member states to adopt technology of innovative technology to overcome several of the challenges faced, particularly in health. And then today, through the African Union high-level panel on emerging technologies, we have been mandated to support African member states to build their regulatory capacity in terms of knowledge and regulatory decision-making to evaluate innovative technologies such as gene drive. So based on that decision, we have, through our regional economic blocks, worked together with various member states, particularly Burkina Faso, that has been taking the lead in the research and development of gene drive mosquitoes. The importance of this support towards establishing new ways of combating malaria lies in the fact that existing technologies, though that they have achieved a lot in terms of saving lives and improving economies, they are no longer as sustainable as we would want. One, they're expensive, they are difficult to deploy in hard-reaching areas, and also, in addition, many of them have started showing signs of failure. Insecticide resistance, failure of chemotherapeutic drugs, and the cost associated with deploying vaccines. So Africa is left with no option but to innovate, find new ways of combating malaria, particularly when it comes to ensuring that it's eliminated from the continent. And this is part of the aspirations of the Agenda 2063 that was developed by African member states to ensure that we have the Africa that we want. So we, as an African Union Development Agency, are working with member states to build capacity, bridging the gap between developers, funders, and research scientists to ensure that, one, we put in place the regulatory measures that will allow member states to monitor the safety and efficacy of new technologies, particularly with gene drive, which we pretty much have achieved with Burkina Faso, Uganda, and Tanzania, where the research is actively taking place. They now have the basic capacity to evaluate and take regulatory decision-making to ensure that the products being developed are safe. And we're also putting in place the monitoring mechanisms to ensure that post-deployment, even during the research phase, that we ensure the environmental safety and the health of our people. So in short, this is what we do in AUDA-NEPAD.